And left hand side, AD square is what? AD square is 3 root 5 upon 2, right? That is given. So just solve this now. 3 root 5 upon 2, the whole square means 45, 3 square 9, 5, 45 upon 4 plus CE square equals to, AC is given 5, so 25 plus 25 by 4. Solve, go on solving, you will get the answer. CE square equals to 25 plus 25 by 4 minus 45 by 4. So this becomes minus 5. So CE square equals to 20, CE equals to root 20, that is equals to 10 to the, 4 5 the. So 4 square root is 2, 2 root 5 centimeter, units is centimeter I think so. No unit is given. So you can keep it as it is also. Okay. So answer is 2 root 5. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.